Welcome to Cooking with Casey. Today we're going to make frozen raspberry jam. The ingredients you need to make frozen raspberry jam are obviously frozen raspberries, a lemon for lemon juice, and some caster sugar. To make frozen raspberry jams are a chopping board, measuring spoons, measuring cups, a juicer, a wooden spoon, a knife, glass jars with lids, a jam funnel, and last but not least, a large saucepan. First of all, you have to wash your hands. All you have to do is wet your hands down and have some soap, rub it on your hands for 20 seconds, and then wash your hands back off with water. First step to sterilising your jar is preheating the oven to 100 degrees Celsius. Second step to sterilising your jar is washing your glass and metal lid in hot soapy water and make sure that there are no labels or sticky residues on the jar. The third step to sterilising your jar is rinsing the glass off with hot water. The final step of sterilising your jar is putting your jars in the oven upside down and the metal lids upside down with the jar and wait a minimum of 20 minutes or until the sauce is ready. The step to making the jam is adding 250 grams of frozen raspberries. And then you add the 1 cup of sugar. And then you get to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. The next step is letting it bring to the boil and stirring it continuously. When you think your jam is ready, you need to conduct a gel test. So you need to grab a plate out of the freezer, and then you get a tablespoon of the jam and then put it onto the plate that was in the freezer and let that sit for a few minutes. After a few minutes, use your finger or a rubber spoon and then run down the middle. And if it stays in 2 separate sections, it's done, but like this one, it's not done yet. Repeating the gel test. Gel test, take 3. Yay, it's ready! When your jam is in the glass, take off your funnel and screw your cap on immediately, and then after you screw it on very tightly, put it upside down with a tea towel. When it's cool, label it and store it in a cold, dry place. Ready for labeling and eating.